this is the stage where we have stopped in our previous classes. In our previous classes, we were studying what? Infix, prefix, and postfix expressions. Okay, and couple of examples we have worked out based upon how to an infix expression to prefix or postfix expression. Okay, and now are there any doubts with respect to how to convert this infix to prefix or a postfix? You can unmute yourself and you can respond here. Yes, Sai Prakash, are there any difficulties?
Yes, I need you can revise this.
Okay, fine, no problem. Let me take the examples which I had given in the notes. Okay, first let us take the example of A plus B into C. So this is infix expression because the operators are in middle of the operands. Here A, B and C are operands, whereas plus and multiplication are what? Operators. These operators are in middle of the operands, so it is called as an infix expression. Now we need to convert this particular infix expression to the prefix or postfix. Prefix, we have to place the operand at the beginning and then followed by operator in the beginning and then followed by its operator. Now let us see how this A plus B into C can be converted into prefix. Now here, which particular operator has got highest precedence? We have two operations here. One is plus and second one is multiplication. Among these two, the multiplication has got highest precedence. So we have to first solve B into C. So we have to consider this B into C first. So here we need to convert this B into C into prefix form. That means I will be writing first A as it is, then plus as it is, then this B into C will be converted to infix as star BC. So now you may notice here that B into C is converted into prefix form, wherein operator is written first followed by its two operands. So this is the first step of the solution. The second step is that in the second step we have the operator addition. For this particular addition, there are two operands. The first operand is what? A, and the second operand is what? Into BC. Okay, now we have to convert this into a second step. So in the second step, I will write it as, so the operator is what? Plus. What is the first operand? That is A. Then what is the second operand? Second operand is star BC. So the second operand I will be writing here star B and C. So this is our prefix expression, the converted prefix expression. Okay, now similarly, we will convert the given infix into postfix expression. Postfix expression. So equal to, so this is our given expression which is in the form of infix. We have to convert it into postfix. Now again in the postfix, what has to be done? First, we need to write the operands and then operator. So again here we have two operations, that is plus and multiplication. Among this one, which has got the highest precedence? Multiplication. So B into C has to be solved first. So for that particular purpose, this A plus B I will be writing as it is A plus, okay, then B into C I have to convert it into postfix conversion. In the postfix, first we need to write the operands, that is B, C, and then the operator. So it is in the postfix form. So first step is complete. In the second step, the operator is what? Plus. So now this entire plus operator, for this we have got two operands. The first operand is A and the second operand is BC star. So now we have to convert this entire expression into postfix. So the first operator, the first operand is what? A. Second operand is BC star, and then the operator for this is plus. So like this, the given infix expression is converted into a postfix expression. Okay. Students, are there any doubts? I will unmute everyone. So are there any doubts?
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. First, I want to. Okay. There are certain background noises. If you are placed yourself in a place where there are certain background noise, you have to unmute yourself. Who is watching television? There are a few students who are watching television and simultaneously they are just logged into the meeting. So I request such students to mute yourself so you can do the activities. You can listen to lecture as well as you can watch the television also. Okay, Abhi is watching the television. Fine. Let me kindly give me the suggestions here. So the way what I was trying to teach you was properly audible to everybody, or
Yes,
are there
sir.
any problems?
Yes, sir.
So there were no issues.
No, sir.
Okay. The steps whatever I was typing and the speech both were matching, or was there any delay in the speech?
So no, it was going in the matching.
It was matching. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Like this way we can continue with the rest of the classes. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us take one more example and try to solve the infix expression into or the postfix expression. Okay. Now I'm going to unmute everyone. I'm going to mute all. Okay. Fine. Now here in this one, we will take the example of this. The given infix expression is this one. Then let us try to convert it into a prefix and postfix expressions. Okay. Now here the infix expression is what? A minus B, which is given, which is placed within the pair of brackets. Okay. And then we have a division operator, and then again within the brackets what we have? C plus D, and here the operator is called as power, D raised to E. This is D to the power of E or D raised to E. Okay. Now we know that brackets have got highest precedence. So now here, even though we have a division, okay, we have the division operator, but this A minus B are placed within a pair of brackets. That means we have to evaluate this A minus B first, and then we can proceed for the division operator. In the same way, on the right hand side of the division operator, again there is a pair of brackets. Within that, what we have? C plus D, and then power E. So among these two, plus and power operator, which one has got the highest precedence? It is power operator. Power has got the highest precedence than the plus operator. So now, how to solve this particular expression, infix to prefix? We will work it out. Okay. Now, first we will apply the rule for the first bracket, that is A minus B. So A minus B in prefix means first the operator, that is minus, then both the operands, that is A and B. This is first conversion. Then we have the division operator. Then what we have here? Hello. We have brackets. Okay. Now these brackets, what I will do is that I will keep the brackets as of now. Okay. Within the brackets, what I'm going to write is that we have two operations here, that is plus and power of. Among plus and raised to, that is power operator, the highest precedence is for what? The power. So what we need to do is that we need to first keep C as it is, then plus as it is, then we have to solve D to the power of E first. So D to the power of E means first in the prefix, we need to write the operator first. So that operator appears first, then followed by both the operands. What are the operands here? D and E. So now what we have done here, we have converted this D power to the E into prefix form. Okay, now in the next step, what has to be done? Let us see. Now, so in this one we have the division. Okay, but at the same time we have the brackets over here. So the first preference has to be given for the brackets. So let us try to solve this particular sub expression, that is bracket expression. So minus AB as it is, division. Okay, then so for this particular bracket operators, we have the operation is plus, and it has got two operands. The first operand is what? C, and the second operand is what? Power DE. Okay, so now to convert into a prefix, first appears the operator followed by operands. What is the first operand here? It is C. What is the second operand? Second operand is the power symbol, then D and E. I hope this particular step is understood. Okay, I will retype this particular expression once again. Okay, now the operation we need to carry over here is addition, that is plus operator. And what are the two operands for this? The first one is C and second one is power operator D and E. This entire three characters are treated as one operand for addition. Okay, so to convert into a prefix, first the operator appears, followed by first operand, and then followed by the second operand, that is DE, power and DE. Okay, so now we have converted both the brackets, we have solved both the brackets into the prefix form. Then the next step. In the next step, here we have the operator as division. And what are its operands? The first operand is minus AB, and second operand is plus C, power D and E. So to convert this entire expression into a prefix, first step is that write the operator, then first operand. What is the first operand? Minus AB, that is minus AB. What is the second operand? Second operand is plus C, power DE. So write down that particular second operand, plus C, power DE. So here, this particular result is the converted form to the prefix format for the given infix expression. So this infix expression is converted into a prefix expression. I hope this is understood by you. Are there any doubts here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Proceed further with the conversion into a postfix format. Okay. Shall we do a small bit of activity wherein you are going to tell me what has to be written for this particular postfix conversion? Shall we do that?
Puneet. Hey, Puneet.
Puneet, someone is
Puneet.
calling. I think your mother is calling. Okay. Now, the given expression is A minus B divided by C plus D power E. Now, how to convert this into a postfix? What is the first step? Who will tell me?
Take the president.
Anyone? Yes, Sai
Take the
Prakash.
president. Take the president first.
Swati.
So AB minus.
First is AB minus. We have to first solve this A minus B to postfix format. That is correct. So first step is AB minus. Okay. Next.
Division.
Division.
Division. Correct. And next what we have here within the bracket, two operators are there. Which one has to be operated first?
Power.
Power.
Power of.
Power of operator. Very good. First power of operator we have to do. So first step, that C plus will be kept as it is. Power operator we need to perform. In the power operator, since it is a postfix, first write D and power. Correct? Yes. So in the next step, what will be the answer?
AB minus.
Yes, Vasuki, can you tell me what will be the next step?
So converting C
What
plus
should I
D
write?
into
What should I
postfix.
write now? AB minus as it is, division symbol as it is. So now we have to convert this particular expression which is placed in a brackets. What is the operator we have here? Plus.
Yes, sir.
What are its two
Plus.
operands?
Plus.
C and then second is D,
C.
E and
DE.
D.
The whole.
now how to write
D.
here? Tell me.
C D E power of
C
plus.
D E the
C,
power of
D,
plus.
E
E
power
the power of plus.
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 Correct? I will repeat once again this particular step. So now operator is what? Plus. First operand is C. So write down the first operand is. What is the second operand? D, E and power. Write down the second operand. D,
Power.
E and power. Then what is the operator here? Plus.
Plus.
That is the converted to postfix for this particular sub expression. Okay. Then the final step. For the final step, what is the operation? We have division. For division, what are the two operands? AB minus and CDE power and plus. So first write down the first operand AB minus. Then what is second operand? CDE power plus. Then what is the operator here? Division. So the first operand we wrote here AB minus. Then the second operand is what? CDE power plus and then the operator. So this will give us the equivalent, that is the postfix expression of the given infix expression. Are there any doubts, students, at this moment?
Sir, postfix first step, please. Can you explain it?
This particular step?
Sir, yes.
Okay. Now. Fine. Now here, what is the given expression? Given expression is this one. Now when we look into this particular expression, what we can see is that there are brackets, okay, and there are different operands. So as of now, we have here one particular bracket, that is A minus B. I will just pause for a couple of seconds. There is some noise over here. First expression is what? A minus B, which is placed within the brackets, and the second expression, the sub part over here is within the plus D power and E. Okay. So first we have to solve the whatever is given within the brackets, because brackets has got highest precedence. So for the first bracket, the operation, we have only one operation, that is minus. So to convert this A minus B into postfix, first we need to write the first operand. What is the first operand? A. Second operand is B. What is the operator?
B.
Minus.
Minus.
Okay. Then the next part is division. Division as it is. Then we have what? These brackets. We have to solve this particular bracket. Now when we look into these brackets, what we can see that there are two operations. One is plus and second is power. So we have to solve these two operations first. So we have to find out which operator has got highest precedence. Among this plus and power, we know that power has got the highest precedence. So we have to solve this power operation first. So for that purpose, I will keep the brackets as it is. Then first, that is C plus as it is. Now we have to solve what? D power E. So in the postfix, D power E is what? First operand D, second operand E, and then the powers.
Powers.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Fine.
No, sir.
Now, you for the point of examination, definitely you are going to get either 2 marks question, either 4 marks, 5 marks question, or sometime even you may get a 10 marks question for conversion of the expressions from infix to the prefix or postfix. If it is 2 marks, they are going to ask only one expression. If it is for 5 marks, they may give only one and they may ask you to convert into prefix and postfix both. Or suppose if it is a 10 marks question, then they may give. I have shared you one particular document, question bank. Have you gone through that particular document? Okay, so here let me just go through the question so that Mahesh, you mute yourself. Okay. So what they have given, convert the following to the postfix expression. So first one and second one. This question is asked for 5 marks. Okay. Now how the evaluation is done for this particular 2 marks? If you solve both the expressions correctly, then 5 marks will be given. Suppose if one is correct and one is wrong, then you get 3 marks. That is how the evaluation will be done. The same thing applies for the question number 13. In the question number 13, again what they are given, convert the expression to postfix. 2 expressions are given over here. Okay, then there was once the question was asked for 10 marks. They had given 3 questions, 3 expressions, and asked to convert to what? Postfix as well as prefix. Okay, so this one, 2 marks for converting to postfix and 2 marks for converting to prefix. Similarly, this expression, 2 marks for, that is postfix as well as prefix. And this is for 1 mark for converting it to postfix and another mark for converting it to prefix. So this is one of the area where you can score really good marks if it is asked for whatever 2 marks, 5 marks or 10 marks. Okay, so there are actually this particular concept is not difficult. If you practice the problems, you should be able to solve without any mistakes. Are there any doubts here?
Sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, fine.
Sir.
Yes.
So first we have in this 10 marks question, question, first we have to consider the this z power m, no?
Yes.
Or
so now here, if you try to see here, okay, shall we work this particular first example?
yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
let
sir.
me take the first example and let us try to solve it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we have to see the expression and try to identify what are the different types of operators given and are there any brackets. Okay, so first step here is that, are there any brackets here?
No, sir.
There are no brackets,
No.
but there are many operators given here. Okay, now I will tell you one trick here. That is, when there are no brackets given, we may end up in making certain mistakes. To avoid that one, what we can do is that first we have to figure out what are the different operators and what are its precedences. Now here we have multiplication, subtraction, power, addition, subtraction, and division. Okay, now coming to here, we know that power has got high precedence, isn't it? So power means z power m has to be evaluated first. For that purpose, what I will do is that first I will write z power m within the bracket. Okay. After this is done, what are the remaining operators? Multiplication, minus, plus, minus, and division. So now here we know that among these one, multiplication has highest precedence than this subtraction. For that particular purpose, what I will do is that within the bracket, x into y, then minus. Okay, then on the other side, we have these many operators and the operands. So now here the highest precedence is for what? Plus, that is P divided by Q. So I will write plus as it is, minus as it is, within the bracket P divided by Q. P divided by Q. I missed out to write N over here. Okay. Now, so what I have done is that I have just tried to put the brackets for the highest precedence of operators. Is this particular step understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we can solve this one. Now here, first step is what? X star Y. For X star Y, how I need to perform? In the, let me take this particular as in the prefix. Okay. X star Y in the prefix is going to be star X Y, then minus as it is, then
Minus.
this we have to solve. Okay. So how it will be in the prefix? Power
Power
M.
Zm.
Correct?
Power ZM.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, plus N minus as it is,
N minus
plus N minus as it is.
minus
And what has to be done? We have to solve this P divided by Q. So how to solve this P divided
division
by Q?
PQ.
Division
Division
PQ.
P.
Yes, very good.
Division PQ.
Yes, fine. Now, this is one operand, then this is one operand, N is another operand, and division PQ is another operand. Now, what are the operators we have? Minus, plus, and minus. Now, all these three operands have got same precedence, equal precedence. So how we need to solve? From left to right.
Left
Very
to
good. We
right.
have to solve from
Right.
left to right.
Left
So
to
first
right.
time we will work out for this expression. So for this, what is the operand? What is the operator? Minus. So minus we have to write. What is the first operand? Star X
Star
Y.
XY.
Yes. What is the second operand?
Power Zm.
Z.
Power
Yeah.
ZM.
Yes. Very good.
Yeah.
We have solved this particular. Then write down the remaining content as it is. So plus N minus division P.
Q.
Okay. So now here, this is first
This one
operand
is one.
and N is second operand for addition. So we have to solve this first. Okay. To solve this one, what is the operator here? Plus. So first we need to
Plus
plus. Then what next has to be written?
minus
Minus
star XY.
star X Y. Very good.
Power Zm.
Z. Yes, correct. Then
Minus sorry, plus N we have to write.
now N we have to write. See,
N.
this is one operation where we have addition. This plus has written in the first, then followed by the first operand, that is minus star XY power Zm, and N is written. Okay, then the remaining content, this we have to write as it is, minus division PQ. Okay. Now we have how many operations left out? Only one operation, that is
One.
subtraction. And what are its two operands? First operand is this one, and the second operand is this one. Okay, so
Division
it means first write the operator, that is minus. Then what is the first operand?
Plus minus
Minus
star XY.
Okay.
Power Zmn.
Okay. Second operator?
Sir, Mn. Star division PQ.
Division PQ. So this is equivalent of given infix into prefix format. If you solve this much, you will get 2 marks. Similarly, the same thing has to be converted into a postfix format.
Yes, Adev.
Understood.
Telephone लागेना किती ते?
Are there any doubts as of now?
Sir, infix only this one step.
This is infix format. Now the question is what here? Convert the following infix expression to postfix and prefix. So you are asking about this step, infix. This is actually
Sir.
the given question is this one, and we have
Okay, sir.
written this for our better understanding in this format, because there were no brackets given, and based upon the operators and its priority, we have placed certain brackets which will ease our understanding. That's it. You will not get any marks for this one. This is for self-understanding. So marks will be given for these steps. If the final answer is correct, then only you are going to get the full marks. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts as of now?
Yes, sir.